Meaning of diadem.
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 Diadem. A diadem is a type of crown worn as a symbol of royalty or honor. It usually consists of a band or ribbon decorated with jewels, and sometimes has additional ornaments, such as a central medallion or hanging chains. The diadem has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt and Rome, and has been used by monarchs and nobles throughout history. Today, diadems are still occasionally used in ceremonial contexts, such as coronations or formal events, as well as in works of art or fashion.